In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Trends. To access Google Trends, simply open your browser and navigate to trends.google.com. Once you are there, simply navigate to Trending Now. On the trending page, these are the most popular topics people are searching right now. So if you want to create some topics or share some articles, this is going to drive a lot of traffic to your page. But the greatest power of Google Trends is its ability to understand the search volume relating to the particular topic you are searching for. So in this case, we are going to navigate to the Explore page. On the Explore page, we are going to search for football, and hit search. Automatically will have a result for the past 12 months in the United States. So we can proceed to click this menu and make the search worldwide. With the period, we can proceed to click here and then make it for the past 5 years. So when you scroll down a little, we will see the interest over time. The graph rises and comes down, and it rises again and comes down. So this gives us an idea that football is kind of a seasonal game, and it has its time that it peaks and also it slows down. So when you scroll down more, you'll see the related topics and also the related queries, and both are rising. We can then proceed to click on this rising menu again, then click to the top. The BBC Football has the highest search volume in regards to the related queries. We can scroll up again. Another interesting thing of Google Trends is you can compare different niches at the same time. So in this case, let's click on the compare and type, for instance, volleyball, and hit search and maintain worldwide in the period past 5 years. When you scroll down, you'll see that the volleyball has a low search volume compared with the football. And the football is also quite a seasonal, which goes ups and down. When we come down again, we will see the compared breakdown by regions. Obviously, the football is dominating by the blue color. We will also see the interest by region. We will see the football dominating here. So when we navigate to the map, we'll see the United States, Canada, United States again, and other part of Brazil and Africa and Greece. When we come down again with regards to the volleyball, we see the regions, United States, other parts of the United States as a search volume. So in order to make a regional comparison, to have an in-depth insight, we can just scroll up again. In this case, let's go to the region and pick United States. So when we scroll down, we'll still notice for the past 5 years since 2018 compared with the volleyball. So this makes Google Trends an interesting tool to utilize whenever you want to make a serious search in relating to any particular field or niche that you want to cover. If you enjoyed this video, you can hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.